Today let me start this video with a small story. A Chinese scholar wanted to visit a reputed university, and while doing so he gets to talk to the gatekeeper of that university. Now while interacting with this gatekeeper, the scholar gets to know that he is more informed and has a lot of knowledge on things that the scholar himself had no idea about. And here I'm not talking about any Oxford University or Harvard University. I'm talking about a university which is actually located in India, and today PM Narendra Modi is inaugurating it. Yes, it is Nalanda University. Hi all, I'm Shiva Shankari and welcome back to my YouTube channel Beyond Barbies. Nalanda University was actually built by Kumaragupta I in the 5th century, and in the initial days it only focused on Buddhism, that is in promoting Buddhist studies, but later it also had fine arts, medicines, mathematics, astronomy, politics in its curriculum. It is said that Nalanda University is 10 kilometers big in size because it had 10 temples, 8 separate compounds, meditation halls, lakes, parks, classrooms, etc. etc. Now, even though it was Kumaragupta I who built this university, it was his successor, Harshagupta, who helped it flourish. And even a lot of kings from other kingdoms came forward and helped in its growth and reputation. If you think its fame is because of the size of the university, it is definitely no. It's because of its commitment and contribution towards education. Now this Nalanda University has a library called Dharma Gunj, which is a home to 9 million. That is 90 lakh books and manuscripts from all around the world, and it also has books from famous scholars like Nagarjuna, Aryadeva, Dharmapala who contributed towards Buddhism. This university had been attacked twice previously, one by the Central Asian tribal group, so their motive was to invade Nalanda and loot all the valuables and resources. Because the damage was not that huge, the rulers could restore it easily. The second attack was because of some political rivalry between two rulers, but again the damage was not that huge and the rulers could restore the university easily. Bakhtiyar Khilji, who was a general under Qutbuddin Aibak, seemed to have a lot of health issues. Even though there were a lot of doctors and nurses who came forward to help him, he did not see any progress in his health. So out of desperation to get cured, he reached out to the principal of Nalanda University, who was Rahul Shribhadra. Surprisingly, he gets cured, but instead of being grateful, he decides to grow insecure on the knowledge possessed by these Indian scholars and saw them as a threat. Now, he wanted to remove this threat, so he decides to burn down Nalanda University. His primary target was the library. Just imagine burning down 90 lakh books. It took the library around 3 to 6 months to burn down completely. He decided not to show any mercy even on the scholars who resided in the university and killed them too. This eventually caused the destruction of the Nalanda University. After learning about Nalanda University, I remembered a saying, if you want to destroy a nation, remove its education, and I think it's applicable in this case. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you found it interesting. Please do leave your suggestions in the comment section. Until next time, bye.